All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, we're going to be looking at the Home Business Academy premium tools and what you're going to get access to when you become a premium member. Now, with the premium membership, you are able to earn $100 in residual income, which means you'll be investing $125, but you earn 80% commissions on that, so you would earn $100 per month residual income. With two people, you are in profit. So keep that in mind. But I'm going to share the tools with you that you're actually going to get access to, not the training. We're just going to look at the tools. But here's the thing: on tomorrow night, which is Tuesday, May 26, you are going to be able to get access to a brand new tool called Traffic Maestro that they are going to release tomorrow night. If you want to get on the list so you can see that webinar tomorrow night, there will be a link for it in the description. But if you are ready to join the Home Business Academy now so you can get access to all of the products, there's a link to that in the description as well for you to go ahead on and get started right now. So with that being said, let's go ahead on right now and get inside of this HBA Premium Tools overview. Okay, so here we are inside of the HBA Premium Tools section. You see right here, this is green. So we're going to come over here to the actual Premium Tools, and I'm going to click on that and show you the first tool that you're going to get access to. I'm not going to actually do any of the necessary stuff inside of it to show you how it works. I'm just going to give you a brief overview of how it works, and once you get in, you'll have an idea on what it is that you should be doing. So if I click on the premium tool, the first tool we have is Prompt Write AI. Now, what this tool does, one, it helps you eliminate ChatGPT, okay, Grok, and Claude and things like that, because you can use this to do all of your content writing with. We have what is called a persuasion writer, okay, and if we hover over that, it tells you words that get people to act. Use it for landing pages, email, sales pages, headlines, anything that needs to convert. The output sounds human and authentic. No corporate speaks, no guru hype, no just proven persuasion principle deployed naturally, like having Harvard, Ogilvy, Schwartz, or other direct response greats in your back pocket. Okay. Then you have the lead magnet helper. This helps you create compelling lead magnets, and you can tap this right here. Uncheck it or check it if you wanted to use your writing preferences, which you would save inside of your settings in your account, or you can not use it. Okay, so you can choose not to use it or use it, but whatever you do, you will paste your prompt right here, and then you will click this button, and then you are good to go. It's going to write your prompt. You're able to upload images in here as well, and they have some done for you prompts: compelling content, ideal machine, headline, email subject lines, for video, title and thumbnail, text generator, headline, the ultimate high impact headline generator, spinner, capture page, sales page, ultimate prompt creator, direct response marketing coach, viral short form video hook creator, target market helper. So you have all of that right there, and you're able to save your own prompts over here that you create. You just simply click here, create prompt, give it a name, tell it what it is, paste your prompt there, and then you're going to save it. So you're going to have access to all of that. So the persuasion writer is something that you can really use, for your Facebook posts and things like that. As you see, I've done some over here already. Okay, and it just basically just giving it a prompt and putting it to work for you. So it's really that simple. And when you're ready, you can start a new chat, and then you're good to go. So that is the Prompt Write AI. The next tool we're going to look at is the image generator tool. I love this tool right here. This once again eliminates the need for image, creating software, like I think ChatGPT. Now you can create images in there. Okay, but you can do it right here inside of the Home Business Academy as well. Okay, so what you want to do first, we have a training video here for you to watch. Watch this training video to know how the best, or to learn the best way to use this tool. Okay, because that's going to save you, because you only get 5 credits per day. And if you watch this video up here, you won't burn through your credits. Okay, so it's just that simple. If you need help writing the prompt, you click on here, upload an image that you want to use. You can upload any image that you wanted to reference. Describe your prompt right in here. Describe what you wanted the prompt for you right in here for your image. Now what I like to do is, once I create my YouTube video, is grab the transcript and put it in here and have this tool create me a YouTube thumbnail based on the transcript that I gave it. So that's what I like to do with it. Okay, so we're going to discard that. So down here, once you do that, you're going to click this button right here, and then it's going to actually put your prompt down here. And if you want to edit anything, you can. But what it does up in this section, it's going to ask you some questions. So when it gives you the prompt here, make sure you go back up, because it may ask you some questions. Okay, so that prompt is going to come here, and then you're going to be able right here to say what you don't want in the image. Okay, avoid this in the image. You're able to put a lot of saved images right here. Okay, you just manage, and you're able to manage those images. You're going to give them names so you'll know exactly what they are. So you can put as many images in here as you want. But what you can do is also with this tool, when you make the prompt, like you see this with me with the white hat on, what you can do is say change the hat to dark blue, black, red, whatever color you want to be, and the shirt as well. Okay, then you're going to you put a reference image here if you want to. That's totally up to you, but you can use these up here. Okay, then you have your aspect ratio. Down here you have a square for social media posts, landscape for YouTube thumbnails, portraits for special stories, short form video thumbnails, standard presentation, tall Pinterest pins, Instagram portrait posts, Facebook cover here, and ultra wide banner, 4x1 blog banner, website headers, and things like that. And if you come on down, you have a super wide 8x1 extra long banner, skinny header strips. Okay, so you have that. And then also over here you have the style, photorealistic, digital art, oil painting, whatever you want, you have that style over here as well. And if you want some more credit, you can simply click here. You can choose as many credits as you want. $10 give you 50 more credit that you can play with. Okay, so it's just as simple as that. And once you click this generate image button, it's going to come over here and start generating the image for you. Just say if I chose this image right here, okay, this image right here, once it does that, it actually puts the prompt back in here unless you want to change something. Or you can come over here, you can download it, copy it, or do a new image. You can make any edits and changes right here that you want to. Once you're done, you're able to download it, save it, and upload it to wherever you want it to go. So that, my friend, is the Van Gogh all-in-one image generator. So now let's go back over to Premium again. Then we're going to look at the Smart Post tool. With the Smart Post tool, okay, you're able to post your short form videos on your social media accounts. Okay, how it works, you got a video right here that walks you through the process, so you're able to get the best out of this tool and the best way to use it. So make sure you watch that. You're going to connect your platforms, upload or import, choose and publish. Okay, you'll be able to see your post history. I don't have any posts. You can manage your connection. As you see, I have Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram connected. But if you come down through here, you can see you can also do TikTok, Twitter, X, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google Drive, and Dropbox. So you can connect all of those to there. And what this does is actually saves you time. Okay, it actually saves you time from taking one video, uploading it to YouTube Short, then you go upload it to Instagram, then you upload it to TikTok. You can do this right here with the push of a button, and it goes out and do it all for you right here within the system. So you're going to get access to this. Just make sure that your recommended video links for each platform is different video link. So make sure the video works for all platforms. Keep it under 90 seconds, and it tells you the formats and things right here. And this is where you can drop a video in. So if like even right here, if I say import from Instagram right here, it's going to go to Instagram. It's going to grab one of my one of my shorts videos that I have. Now I can take this and start sharing it to the other platforms and things like that. So that's what you can do right there. So that is the Smart Post tool, the Premium Smart Post tool. We come back again to Premium tools. You have the Email Alchemist. Now what this does, this actually writes emails for you based off of Paul's 1,800 emails he's written in the years that he's been in the business. So this guide actually walks you through, okay, the best use cases for this tool, and it tells you what to do and what not to do. Okay, the 6-step story arc, you have that in there. Subject lines, if you want to create subject lines, it just asks you what is your email about, and then once you tell it what the email is about, you're going to click and it's going to generate you subject lines right down here. The right portion is you have 3 choices. You can talk about what are you most excited about in life or business. It's going to come down here. You just start filling in the information and then click the next button. Did something happen recently, a conversation, a moment that stuck with you? Same thing. Fill it out and keep going through the process. Is there anything you learned recently that you can teach someone? Okay, just go through the process, go through the steps, and it's going to crank out an email for you. And once this email is done, you can actually have it go directly into the HBA emailer as well. And I'll talk about that in another video. But anytime you're ready to get started, you go ahead and click the link in the description. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is Traffic Maestro, okay? And it's an AI-powered daily marketing system so you can stop learning and start earning. Tuesday, May 26, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You don't want to miss it. So if I just kind of give you a little rundown on what this is, if I come to the show more, okay, the premises, the whole thing of this is right here. What if? What if you didn't have to watch endless training or read countless books to put great marketing to work for your business? What if you didn't have to guess what to do every day or sit there stressing as you gaze at your computer, wondering what you should do to get leads and grow your business? No more beating up yourself, feeling lost, confused, or overwhelmed. What if? What if you logged in, follow a simple daily plan, the system do most of the heavy lifting, and your marketing is done? Okay, that's it, and all in a short, manageable time. It's called Traffic Maestro. Okay, so exactly what this tool is, I do not know, but I'm looking forward to it and I am excited about it. Okay, now understand this isn't a new product. That's not how we roll in HBA. What this is going to be for an existing products, and there are no upsells, no down sales. They're not going to jack the price up on premium. None of that. The price you're going to get if you're in the premium, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. If you are a premium member, you're going to get access to this tool. Okay, it's just as simple as that. Okay, if you're not a premium member, then you probably won't get access to this tool. Now, I don't know that for sure, but I'm just assuming, okay, that's what that could be. Okay, so you don't have to worry about any price hikes. Gas is high enough. Okay, we work hard to make sure it's already better. That's what it's about. So it's a massive upgrade to one of our existing products. And if I had to guess, I would assume it is about what I've been talking about in this video, the HBA Premium tools, okay, or the HBA Premium section. So this is all happening Tuesday night, okay? So If you want to show up, there's a link in the description. There are 2 links in the description. Well, the first one is for you to go ahead on and get started so you can be on that. And the next one is for you to just get on the wait list. And I'll send you an email tomorrow. Make sure when you go through the process, bookmark the email, bookmark the page that is sent so you can get to the live, okay? Okay, so what we're revealing Tuesday is the perfect next step for what do I do if I don't know how to do marketing? What if I don't want to wait years to learn? And what if I don't have time to watch 52 training videos? So get excited. Go ahead on, click the link in the description so you can get access to this, because I honestly believe that this is going to be a game changer for people who are actually inside of the Home Business Academy. And if you are not in the Home Business Academy, you will be one of the ones on the outside looking in at this tool. So what I want you to do is go ahead on, click either link in the description, get signed up, get going, or get on the waiting list. The choice is yours. If I were you, I would get signed up today. That gives you 3 days to test out everything in the system, and you're going to get a 14-day free trial along with Premium. Premium is going to be a 14-day free trial, and you're going to have 3 days money back guarantee. If after 3 days you don't want it, then hey, you're good to go. But what happens right now, if you get started today, that gives you tomorrow to get on the webinar. That gives you Wednesday to play around with it, and Thursday. I would highly recommend, and this is my recommendation to you, for you to go ahead on and get started now. Click the link in the description to get started. Don't hesitate and don't wait. If you want to know more about the Home Business Academy and the HBA app, check out this video either over here or over there, somewhere on this screen. Watch that video and get started. With that being said, click the link in the description. Have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.